Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a girl named Lily. From a tender age, Lily's heart beat with the rhythm of baking. Her eyes sparkled at the sight of flour, sugar, and butter, and her hands danced with delight as she molded dough into intricate shapes. Despite her passion, life was not a cakewalk for Lily. Her family struggled to make ends meet, and the idea of pursuing her dreams seemed like a distant fantasy. Yet, Lily refused to let adversity sour her spirits. With determination as her secret ingredient, she baked through the challenges, turning setbacks into stepping stones. As years passed, Lily's skills blossomed like a perfectly risen soufflé. She honed her craft tirelessly, experimenting with flavors and designs until her creations became the talk of the town. But just when success seemed within reach, tragedy struck. A fire ravaged the village, reducing everything to ashes, including Lily's dreams. Heartbroken but undeterred, Lily dusted off the remnants of her bakery and set to work anew. With the unwavering support of her community and a dash of resilience, she rebuilt her bakery from the ground up. Each setback only fueled her determination, and soon, Lily's bakery stood as a beacon of hope and inspiration. Finally, the day arrived when Lily flung open the doors of her very own bakery. The aroma of freshly baked treats wafted through the air, drawing in customers from far and wide. With every cake she decorated, every pastry she crafted, Lily poured her heart and soul into her creations. And so, the tale of Lily, the girl who refused to let her dreams crumble, became a testament to the power of passion, perseverance, and the sweet taste of success.